What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Mabel from Hoppers. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now we're going to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we'll draw a small circle and fill that in black. Let's line this up on the right. Let's move to the bottom of the eyes. We're going to add a fold going up and then out across the cheeks. Let's move to the center. Draw a curve in the center for the nose. From the ends, bend this down and then in towards a point. And we'll fill the nose in black. Go to the tip of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. Now I want to curve the side of the muzzle. We'll start with the left side. We're going to come down, round this out, go in towards the eye, and then down towards the corner of the nose. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now we'll split the teeth from the center, draw a straight line coming down. Now I want to curve this out and then up toward the left. From the bottom, we're going to step up, curve this out and up towards the right. Let's move down and draw on the chin. Starting from the left, goes down, across, and then up. Now I want to move up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to start from the top, go up and then in, go out and then down towards the right. Now I want to add some thickness, going up higher in the middle and then down. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, step out, curve the cheek going around. I'm just going to bend that in to right about there. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the head going up. Now I want to bend this in about halfway. I'm going to brush the hair going out and then up. Come down and in. Let's add another one. We're going to go out and then up. Pull this in toward the side. Let's add one smaller one going out and then in, and then pull this out and then down towards the cheek. On the side, we're going to add the ears. Let's start on the left, bring this out, round up the ear, and then pull that in. Let's add the whiskers along the side. Start from the left, bend this across and out, and we're going to add 3 per side. Let's move down and draw the inside of the arm. Starting on the left side, bend this in and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the inside, draw a small half circle for the thumbs. Add a bracket on the end. Now I want to add 3 small fingers on either side. So we start from the bottom of the thumb, bend this down and then up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and just pull that up toward the side. Let's separate the edge of the wrist from here, bend this across and then down. Now just underneath the hands, we're going to add a fold. We're going to start down here, bend this down and in, bend that down towards the bottom of the body, go in the opposite direction on the right, and close out the center with a slight curve. Now I'm going to go all the way back up underneath the cheeks and draw the side of the body. So we're going to start on the left, coming down, bend this out, round up the leg, and just pull that in towards that inside point, and do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down and out, round up the leg, and then bend that in. Now we want to tuck the feet in underneath the legs. So we're going to start down here, and just around, just tuck that up underneath. We're going to stack 2 more toes in behind, going around and in, and we'll do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that front toe, second, and then the third. Now the last thing we're going to do is add that tail coming out from the right side. So we start from the top of the body, bend this up, come around and in. We want to add a little bit of texture inside with 3 little curves. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mabel from Hoppers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.